Very good. We had an excellent stay at this hotel. The money was good and the cleanliness was top-notch. The only downside is the distance from the station. It is a 20 to 30 minute walk from Goi Station. It would be best if you come to this hotel with a car. Basho techi ni yoi mawari wa, resuto randoka depado wa son nato kude wa naikari yoi sune. Totemo-e. Totemo-e kokochi no yoi hotaru deshi to seketsu de, sutafu no katano kanji mo yokata, daiokujo mo kaitachi deo yugachi mochi yokute sankai mo haite, shimai mashita shuku hakushawa, osona no nio furowa. Itsumo itei mashita matari yoshitai hotaru desu. Excellent value, clean, quiet and great value. Hot spring. I love the hot spring in this facility. It helps me to recover from the long international flight. Love the onsen. It might be a little far from the station, the hotel is very relaxing, and the food buffet was great. If you have a car, it is better. I enjoyed it, and I recommend to do the onsen. Good hotel. Nice, everything was good to stay. Nice, hotel room was clean, breakfast was good, and onsen was plus. New and value for money. Big parking lot at the hotel. Very small onsen, but given non-peak season there were not a lot of guests using. Breakfast was good enough with varieties. The bed matters was the highlight of the trip at various hotels we stayed. It also has vending machines for sodas and cup noodles, free coffee, laundry. Sudomari ippakude ryoshi mashita Ichihara wa kanari toinode, kurumahi sudesu, hotaru jitai wa kanari sagetsu deo yamo, hiroshi deshida, daiokujo mo osoijikan nara itei masujaku ni asawa, kekko hitoga imashita choshokumo totemo oishino desu gayaya, sawagashi kata kanido yuincho desu.